Hello my friends, I am back here on my channel. My name is Miro and I am stock photographer and videographer, and I would like told you about what happens during these months. It's not really very popular month for photographer and videographer in this business because July, August, June, it's always the slowest month during the all season from all the year. And let's go start with my recapitulation what happens in July in my stock portfolio. Let's go start from the end. Number 13. I don't put really all agency in the list, just the most popular I try, what is really worth it. But let me start with number 13. It's starting with 123 IRF, and 123 IRF bring me 83 cents in July. Wow, 4 downloads, not so bad. I'm really happy because you usually don't sell well like that. And number 12, this is surprise for me. It was Alami. It's really only one sale for $1.47. Not really too much, but I always say that Alami, it's Alami, and you never know what can bring you what income can bring you every month. It's really unpredictable agency. Number 11, it's Free Peak. I have 32 downloads compared to last month is only 15, and this bring me $1.82 from Free Peak. I have mostly artificial images there, around almost 1,000, not really 1,000, but very, very close. And this is how you can make money in this city. Not really so good for me at this moment, but I will see. I will still continue and upload more images to the Free Peak. Number 10, Big Stack. It's not anymore. It's not possible to upload to Big Stack, but still make some money. And this month it's $2.40, and in total it's 6 downloads in Big Stack. Number 9, it's Dreams Time. Dreams Time bring me $3.15, and in total it's 9 downloads. Not so bad, but it's very, very bad, honestly, because I have so many images there, and the sale is really very, very slow. Same, it's for deposit photo. It's bring me $4.05 and 15 downloads, and this is number 8 for deposit photo in July 2024. Number 7, this is pretty surprising for me this month because I don't upload anymore to Wirestock because I really don't like the rules. I have to pay it if I want to upload my images, and I don't feel bad about it because I really don't like these rules, and still bring me some money from images and video I have posted there before this rules really comes to the real life. And this bring me in total $7.50 from 4 downloads. And anyway, I'm not really crying, and I'm not really unhappy because I don't upload to Wirestock, because anyway the video what I sold for $7 and a couple cents, it's sold through the Adobe, and I prefer support Adobe directly. This means Wirestock, try think about that if your rules is really good for creative people, and you must know better, but definitely I will never support you if you keep the payment for creators for your agency. I really don't like it. Number 6, it's iStock it's from income. It's from June, and it's not really good. I don't understand why, but iStock is really not working for me really well. It's hard to take the money out from iStock. You need the minimum $100, and I cannot make this. For June, it's only $32.31. This means I have to wait until I pass $100, and after that I can take my money out. Number 5, Pond 5 exclusive. Pond 5 exclusive is not really doing the best for me, but it's bring me $37.50 because I believe this Pond 5 can make much more money than $37, but I'm still happy with the income, and I will see what happens in future. Number 4, it's for me the agency. The agency don't like the name it, and this agency bring me $58.40 and 128 downloads. Definitely not the best month, no bad, but it's number 4 in position on the seller's position, what is pretty good, and I still will continue with uploading to this agency. Number 3, it's Pond 5, a regular Pond 5. I have bigger portfolio there, but still not really every month bring me some income, but for July bring me $77.84 with 1 downloads for video footage. And number 2, it's Motion Array, one from agency. I really like it, but how I said last time, I don't like the rules, what make it the new rules, and I am uploading much careful with the selection, what I will post on Motion Array, but I still support them because it's still a very good earner for me. And number 2, this month in July, it's bring me $100, and total it's 509 downloads. This means not really bad. This is number 2, and number 1, everybody knows in these days, it's definitely the best agency for me. It's Adobe, and Adobe bring me in July $131.59 in total, and this is from 106 downloads. It's I sold around 8 video, if I'm correct, video footages, and 29 artificial images, and the artificial images bring me $22 in July. And this is how looks my months. Not really bad, because I was thinking for July it's definitely pretty good, and if I count everything together, the total is $459, what is pretty good for a month like July. I hope so that August will be same, because it's definitely tough months for a stock photographer. And I will see what happens in September. I know it's too far, but everybody believes that September will be better, and we will see. So far, I'm not really complaining, and I can see that my work it's coming out every month better and better. And this is my point. This is my point. It's still worth it. Make the uploading to stock agency, because it's still possible make some side money in this business. I said it's not really easy, but I love photography, I really love videography, and this is why I am doing this. Here you can see the list with my portfolio, how many images I have with some agency, and right here you can see the images I made, and I upload already some last months in July, and you can also see some my new footages, and I hope so this can be inspiration for you, and maybe you will do something similar. I don't really, I hope so you will not exactly copy my work, but definitely can bring you the idea, because honestly in this moment I still don't know if someone of this video or images will be the seller. And I think that's it for now. July is behind us, and welcome August. We will see what happens. Thank you very much for watching my video, and If you like, click on the like. If you subscribe, I will be really happy. And oh, I forget, I want to really say thank you to everybody who support me and who is watching this channel, because I just crossed in July 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for that, because I know this thank you it's for you and not really for me. This is teamwork, and this means if I doing something what you like, you will give me back, and this is how it's supposed to be. I hope so. I learn you something new, and if you have any question, like always I said, just write down, and if I have time or I know the answer, I definitely will be back to you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful